Yeah, man. So we are doing that. Trick match. You have a general. That's squash. That's general. Yeah, man. Squash. That's squash. Yeah, man. Squash. Say big up, right? Big up squash. PMP.
Good day, my people. We have a lot of stories for you today. Welcome to Club of Them TV. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Yeah, I don't know about gunman dog. Yo, sing done. I don't know about gunman dog. Legal at the night, say I pay a life run. So, can't drive run.
Trust me, my people, when PNP win this victory, Jamaica is going to be this festive. Check out this clip that I've came across on the Instagram.
When I hear Andrew, I say I'm never born with gold spoon in my mouth. That does not mean you should steal it. Voila.
Old pirates, yes, they rob I, sold I to the merchant ships. Minutes after they took I
Voila.
from the bottom.
Voila. For this election, Andrew Holness want to tell me
Wait for it.
Like how my first time in England if you can't give me money.
Alright, all at 10 pounds, bro.
People.
Are you sure at 10? Oh.
People.
Let me see it.
Magic at 10 pounds. This guy even buy one drink and one food.
Jesus Christ.
Disgusting, man.
What is
I don't even think
Kiprich, your next one too. You know, since I use that, the girl they use you. Dog, Kiprich, yo, you're 50 years old. Boy, you're the first dancehall artist when me see a dancehall when never find a girl till the 50th birthday. You make this girl have your turn one piece of poppy show up on TikTok live. Last night, me I watch a little piece on the live when on the round table and I eat her. Obviously, the girl have you on the program. Bro, you know, say the girl have you on the leash. You know, say that the girl don't want you, Kiprich. What is wrong with you, Kiprich? You make the girl say, look a bit of money what you have left for retirement. Because you is an old retired dancehall artist. You know, you make the girl have you take your turn in a one piece of poppy show. Me see all a fry egg and hug up the girl like it. You're afraid of tell body up. Boy, Kiprich, you're one of the biggest girl cloud in the history of all girl cloud. You don't say that the girl have been around the block a few times. Boy, what is wrong with you, Kiprich? Boy, I can't believe you make this girl take it and jam out your little bit of money what you have left in the dance hall. Y'all go sing while look boring. Dog, Kiprich, you should be one of the biggest nursery rhyme artists in that. Why you not go run back a elephant man like elephant man look a bitch like what you always used to do? You're one of the biggest nursery rhyme artists in the history of all the dancehall. You make the girl name out your money and turn in a one piece of poppy show so till you go sing this big nursery rhyme. But woman we get things, woman we get. Kiprich, when that the girl that done with the year lead up a road like a suck out bag juice. The year his song what Cartel say 45 fat like foul for mongoose when he done with the meal lean up a road like. Well, Kiprich, I don't think you have enough money for your retirement to spend on that girl. You better cut that girl loose. That girl have been around the block. None of them girl where you see on TikTok no one. No man, Kiprich start waste of time. You're a big old 50-year-old retired dancehall. You're the first dancehall artist specify that girl where you have 50 that dancehall. What is wrong with that?
See me, yo Kingston. I don't want to set a life in Iran. Look run, baby, my song crown. Mad dog, GLE, Jack Crowd. Don't rhyme for singers, me touch a Skeng Tony. Uptown girl, them pretty and crown. Downtown girl, them know about card. Never left it but my skirt on and a ton.
Yes, PNP Nation on the forward right now. We're marching. Not a next term, this big nose, vacuum nose man get him teeth. Him teeth up everything from Jamaica. Billions gone. So here we go now. We are pack with shit, them chumpers who come back. Remember, so we are PNP, we have papers in a foreigner that the P stand for in a PNP. I labor right them alone, jump fence and broke wall. Here we go now. All PNP, we are rise. You hear that? We are ram up in place. Playing them a pack up. Crawford badness, you hear it? I don't think we're going to win the next term. Marching!
Yeah. Huh? Come on, ready? Jamaica. Let me show you how dishonest your Prime Minister is for coming to Waterford and saying that we blocked the road on him. This is the road that he would have taken to come down. The shot you got of people in the road was in that lay-by. The road did not continue into the lay-by. That is where we were standing, where those bikes and bicycles were. This is the way that he would have taken. He would have turned on here. The Prime Minister is dishonest for showing comrades in that lay-by and saying we're blocking the road. And this is why we are out in our numbers today, to send a message that we're tired of your dishonesty and drolleness.
This must be the biggest crowd in history ever come to a parish meeting. Crossroads jam up and block up. Crowd gone way down, so way below Carib. Way up, so. Way round, so. PNP River really come down bank to bank. I want to thank everybody who has come here tonight to show their support for their party and to show their love for their country, because time come for a better life and we have to make it happen, and it starts with you, and I know you're going to make it happen. I'm a member of Parliament for the great constituency of South St. Andrew. Our constituency starts right there and go round. I want to pick up all of the comrades of South St. Andrew are here tonight. All Arnett Garden massive, all Trenchtown massive, all Jonestown massive, Side Torrington Park, all round, Rima, everywhere. And I want to big up my two counts of them, Sarah and Louise, two mighty comrades.
G British not living a no dream, you know. You see when you want the good incense, them, the chopper them, when you see that man here on the dust do the right thing, because him supply G British with incense, you see me? When you tell them now, because remember, you know, you travel the 14 knockings, you know. Watch them now, man.
Yes, I.
So any socks you want, chopper socks?
I don't know. I don't sell Chinese incense, you know. I sell straight Indian incense, you know. I don't sell nonsense, you know. We don't follow, you know, but we incense them straight. I'm a real incense man.
Yeah, man, from day one, man.
Incense boss.
Alright, so you see it? Incense boss a pass through.
Straight incense boss.
I hear that.
Them fi know the crucial get dark and dodge. Me no care who get it, coulda walk or run. Somebody better fi go sharp and bum. The war start and I start done. Them a try aggravate me. The pussy them a try.
Hey! What them know about we? All them a talk.
Pull up! I want TV and a Clubber TV. If you never subscribe, run go subscribe now. The time is now. Pull up! I want a tamot.